Hi, I'm Sebastian Brunemeier, partner at HealthSpan Capital. HealthSpan Capital is the most active venture fund in longevity biotech and regenerative medicine. We've done 30 investments in the last 2 years since we launched. My background is in longevity biotech, so I'm a scientist by training, and I've founded or co-founded three biotech companies. And so today we're looking for companies with therapeutics that significantly extend healthy lifespan. At HealthSpan Capital, our venture fund investing in longevity biotech and regenerative medicine, and in the long bio field broadly, we're developing new medicines that slow the aging process. So aging is the number one risk factor for most common diseases, and it turns out that we can extend healthy lifespan across lab animals substantially, up to about 50% lifespan extension in the mice, genetically, and about 30% pharmacologically. And so we expect in the coming decades that the frontier of medicine will not be addressing the symptoms of disease, the late stage pathology, but actually preventative medicine by targeting the biology of aging itself. So in the animals, we can slow their aging through many different types of interventions, probably about 100 different interventions today, and these can be combined for synergy, and they prevent most age-related diseases. So we strongly believe that treating the root cause of disease, which is aging itself, is going to be very practical and productive for many specific age-related diseases. In biotech, there's been the so-called nuclear winter in the last 2 or 3 years. There was a bit of exuberance and then a popping of the market bubble. And a lot of high-quality companies are struggling for capital today. We see that across our portfolio and many other companies. And so, we're all hoping collectively as a field that the capital will come back in. It seems to be changing interest rate policies in the US and Europe after a historically unprecedented period of very high interest rates. And so we're hopeful that over the next 6 to 12 months, the venture market in advanced therapies is going to come back. So we're here at Advanced Therapies Europe in sunny Portugal, and this is a great conference. I've been to the one in the US and the one here last year in Portugal, and it's a great group of people who are advancing gene and cell therapy. So I think, in the next couple decades, we're going to see less and less small molecules and even antibodies and more gene and cell therapies, which I think are going to be a lot more powerful going forward, especially to address age-related diseases, to reprogram biology and bring in a new era of medicine.